Sri Vishnu Art Press Legal Dictation Volume number 34. Dictation number 4 at the speed of 88 words per minute. Dictation start within 5 seconds. Start in this connection, it is also necessary to point out that character, role, and tires are recorded in annual confidential remarks of an employee by superior officer on the basis of a partial of his work and conduct during the course of a year, who has opportunity to look into the work and conduct of employee, and such annual confidential remarks are further required to be approved by next higher authority as indicated in various government orders relating to the government employees issued from time to time, whereas the punishment awarded to a government employee are always based on disciplinary action taken against such government employee unless there is a specific service rule regarding placement of the punishment in the service record, and the punishing authority in pursuance of such rules indicate that such punishment be placed in service record of employee, and further such punishment shall debar and deprive the employee for a particular service benefit to be accrued during the course of employment of employee. In our considered opinion, in absence of such a specific rule debarring an employee from any service benefit, such punishment cannot automatically deprive the service benefit to be accrued to the employee. Stop para. Normally, under service rules applicable to the government employees of the state, the legal impact and implication of punishments awarded to them have been provided, such as dismissal and removal from service, debar the dismissed and removed employee from post retail benefits and central civil right on such dismissal, whereas the punishment of removal would not deprive removed government servant from other civil right except depriving him from post retrial dues and other services benefit. Likewise, reduction in rank does not deprive an employee from future promotion and other service benefits like post retrial dues. Stop. Similarly, stoppage of one increment for particular period deprive the employee from financial benefit of said increment, which is otherwise liable to be added in his pay scale on account of accrual of such increment. If two increment of a employee with cumulative effect have been stopped, such employee will not get the financial benefit of to increment which may be otherwise admissible to him in his pay scale. Stopped. Thus, the legal impact and effect of stoppage of two annual increment with cumulative effect would be merely that the employee or officer would suffer loss in payment of his salary to the extent of denial of to increment which would be otherwise admissible to him, but for the said punishment he has been deprived of from said benefit of service stop. Thus, in the service jurisprudence, the employee who has been awarded punishment of stoppage of to increment would not lose the other benefit of service except the aforesaid financial loss in payment of salary. Therefore, in our considered opinion, the stoppage of 2 annual increment of the petitioner with cumulative effect cannot deprive him from other benefit of service, including his eligibility and entitlement for promotion to the next higher post if he is otherwise eligible and entitled for such promotion. Stop.